Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking you around a VW T6.1 that we've upgraded with Westfalia Detachable Tow Bar and 13-pin dedicated wiring loom. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So first of all, thank you for watching our videos. This is all about the T6.1 detachable tow bar solution with the 13-pin dedicated wiring loom. In terms of the key aspects that we've done on the install, basically what we've done is remove the bumper to start with, replace the crash beam with the new tow bar. And we've gone for a Westfalia detachable tow bar. And there's a lot of different options. You've got Witter, Westfalia, you've got Brink, you've got Tow Trust, quite a few different manufacturers. We only use equipment that would fit onto our own cars, and yes, Westfalia is one of those brands. In terms of the solution, the main thing I want to be talking to you today about, guys, is dedicated electrics and how important they are for a vehicle like this. You've invested heavily in the actual vehicle itself, and it's imperative that you have a dedicated wiring loom, plus it all recoded to actually work and to retain all the safety features of the actual vehicle itself. Very, very important, guys. Basically, what a dedicated wiring loom is, it means that the wiring goes into given points from manufacturer. It's not what's called bypass electrics. A big way of knowing about whether it's bypass electrics or a dedicated wiring loom is when you plug in your tow bar electrics or whatever you're plugging in, a caravan or cycle carrier, whatever it might be, when you indicate, for instance, you get a little buzzing noise from that left hand side. That is bypass electrics. It should not be used on vehicles of this caliber, or pretty much any vehicle of the modern age. Basically, vehicles nowadays have what's called Canbus. Basically, it's an intelligent brain inside the vehicle that knows a lot more about what the safety features, and it controls the whole vehicle in essence in terms of all the electronics. In terms of what dedicated wiring looms, it plugs in, and we actually tell the car via a new code that we put onto the car to tell it that it's got a new tow bar installed, which means you're adding additional weight to the back of the vehicle. Adding on additional weight means your braking system, your fuel systems, plenty of other safety features inside the vehicle basically need to adapt and change to keep you guys safe on the roads. Very, very important. If you are interested or want some more information, feel free to pick up the phone to us, come by, see us, whatever it might be, drop us an email. We're more than happy to go through everything, or drop us a message on any of our social media platforms, and we're more than happy to go through everything in a bit more detail and kind of advise you on what the options are. If you're after a price and want to book in directly with us, you can either do that live directly on the Witter website, type in your reg on the right hand side of the website, and you can book directly with us no matter where you are in the world, or give us a call and we'll go through all the options with you over the phone, or come in person and we can go through everything step by step with you. But overall, a really, really nice installation, easy to detach as well, but also the main thing is the safety features will be retained with that dedicated wiring loom. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, or enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys. We'll see you soon.